In this video, I will show you how you can record audio for your Canva presentation by opening canva.com, loading your presentation, and using it as an example to follow along. From there, go to the top right corner, click on Present, and choose Present and Record. Then click Next to enter the recording studio, where Canva will ask for permission to access your microphone and webcam. And if you only want to record audio, simply allow microphone access and click Start Recording. After a short countdown, your recording will begin, and you can move through the slides while explaining each part of your presentation. Once you're finished, click End Recording, and Canva will automatically upload it, generate a shareable link, and allow you to view the presentation with your recorded commentary. You'll also have the option to download the presentation with the audio included, which is useful if you want to save it externally or use it elsewhere.